This is a very well-bound 18th century book with these very nice marbled boards outlined in gilt rules. The edges are gilt. These gilt inner dentils here with orange end papers, which is quite interesting. There's the rear cover, some loss here. The corners are worn. Here's the spine, well worn, some chipping here. But we still see evidence of the original gilt decorations. But what makes this book nice for us is that it's essentially a plate book of copper engraved plates. It's got the imprint here of 1789 Paris, and it is essentially the plate volume that would have accompanied the text volume that came before it. And so what we have is this complete suite of, it's actually 67 plus 5 engraved plates, so there's a total of 72, all illustrating, maybe this was folded under, like so, aspects of early English history. And the plates, some of them fold out like this. That's great. Very medieval in appearance. Like the construction. Look at this. Yeah, that's. Look at this. Fascinating. Very interesting. Yeah, and this one folds up like so. It's a lot of engraved plates, actually. This one folds down like this. It's very interesting. And they all, like so. Look at that, yeah. Just open it up and do a quick flip through over here. We got the rear, we've got all kinds of scientific plates that look like they're, I'm not quite sure what these are. Some sort of, I don't know if they're shells or microscopic, they're minerals, I think. And, yeah. Yeah, a lot of medieval images, Middle Ages, so to speak, as they're known. And so, this book here, with 72 engraved plates, is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.